If you're looking to embed a web page into your LearnWorlds course, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to get it done fast, as well as share some tips to help you get the most out of this feature. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're in the course builder within your LearnWorlds platform. Once you're there, click on the page or a lesson where you'd like to add the embedded web page. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You'll want to use LearnWorlds Embed feature, which is really handy for bringing external web pages directly into your course content. The process is simple, but let me walk you through it. Next, grab the URL of the web page you want to embed. For this step, make sure the website you're embedding is mobile friendly, because some older or poorly designed websites might not display well on smaller screens. Once you've got your URL, go back to your LearnWorlds course builder and select the section where you want the embedded page to appear. Now, here's the trick. In the content block, you'll need to add an HTML block. LearnWorlds allows you to embed custom HTML into your pages, which is perfect for web pages or other external content. Paste the embed code or URL you copied earlier into the HTML block. Don't worry, LearnWorlds automatically converts it, making sure the page fits neatly within the course. You don't need to worry about any complex coding. Next thing to know, you'll likely want to test it. After embedding the web page, take a few moments to preview your course. Click on the section where you added the web page and make sure it displays correctly. This is a good time to check how it looks on different devices. If something doesn't look right, go back and adjust the size or the embed code. The fourth thing you should know is the limitations. Not all websites will embed perfectly into LearnWorlds. Sometimes issues can occur, like elements that don't load properly or the page looks strange in your course. If this happens, it's usually a good idea to check whether the website's frame settings are compatible. If you're embedding a site that's not displaying right, consider contacting LearnWorlds support or tweaking the frame settings directly if you have the technical skills to do so. Finally, if you're looking for a cleaner or more feature-rich alternative to embedding a web page in LearnWorlds, I've got something for you at the end. Now, while LearnWorlds is great for embedding web pages, it's not always the best fit for every situation. The embedding process can be a bit limited depending on the design of the web page you're trying to add, and customization options are somewhat basic. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to share a few alternatives that can help you achieve more advanced embedding, and some of these have better overall functionality and even more intuitive options for integrating external content into your courses. In fact, we've got an exclusive offer for you. The software mentioned in this video comes with an extended free trial, giving you extra time to test it out. Plus, we found some other platforms that may be a better fit for your needs, especially when it comes to embedding web pages seamlessly. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So don't miss out on that. Now go ahead, test out embedding your web page in LearnWorlds, and if you want more powerful tools, be sure to check out the alternatives in the description. They've got free trials too, and you may just find the perfect solution to take your courses to the next level.